Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Glide automations safely, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall Glide automations safely, start by logging into your Glide account. Navigate to the app dashboard where your automations are set up. Locate the specific app that contains the automation you wish to uninstall. Click on the app to open its settings. In the left sidebar, find the Automations section. Click on Automations to view all existing automations for that app. Identify the automation you want to remove from the list. Once you found it, click on the automation to access its details. In the Automation Detail view, look for the Delete option. This is often represented as a trash can icon or a delete button. Confirm the deletion when prompted to ensure you really want to uninstall it. After confirming, the automation will be removed from your app. Double-check the automation section to ensure it no longer appears in the list. If you have multiple automations to uninstall, repeat these steps as needed. Once you are done, take a moment to review your app's overall functionality. Make sure everything is still working smoothly post-uninstallation. This helps ensure that the removal of the automation hasn't impacted your app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.